How to achieve ISO 9001 certification. Step-by-step guide. Welcome to Hustle and Systems, your go-to channel for all things ISO standards. Today, we're going to walk through the steps you need to take to achieve ISO 9001 certification. If you're new here, make sure to hit the subscribe button and the notification bell for more content that simplifies the certification process. Before we dive into the steps, let's quickly cover what ISO 9001 certification means. ISO 9001 is the international standard for a quality management system, or QMS. Getting certified shows that your organization meets these quality standards and is committed to delivering consistent, high-quality products or services. But how do you get certified? That's what we'll cover today in 5 clear steps. Step 1. Conduct a gap analysis. The first step towards certification is conducting a gap analysis. This is where you compare your current processes against the ISO 9001 requirements to see what's missing. Essentially, you're identifying the gaps between where you are and where you need to be. For example, do you have documented procedures for customer satisfaction or corrective actions? If not, you'll need to create those. This step helps you understand exactly what areas need improvement before moving forward. Step 2. Implement changes. Once you've identified the gaps, it's time to make the necessary changes to your processes. This might include documenting procedures, training staff, or even investing in new tools or software to improve efficiency. Remember, the key focus is on meeting customer requirements and improving quality. At this stage, leadership should be fully involved to ensure the changes align with the organization's goals. Leadership should be fully involved to ensure the changes align with the organization's goals. Step 3. Conduct internal audits. Before you can have an external audit, it's crucial to conduct internal audits. Internal audits help you assess whether the changes you've implemented are working effectively. You'll need to check if your processes align with ISO 9001 and are being consistently followed. If you spot any non-conformities, in other words, if something isn't working as it should, you'll need to take corrective action. This is a key step to ensure you're fully prepared for the external audit. Step 4. Select a certification body. The next step is to choose a certification body, which is the organization that will conduct the external audit and issue your ISO 9001 certification. When selecting a certification body, make sure they are accredited and reputable. The certification body will review your documentation and visit your site to ensure you meet all ISO 9001 requirements. They'll assess everything from management commitment to how well processes are implemented and maintained. Step 5. The external audit. Finally, the external audit takes place. This audit typically happens in 2 stages. Stage 1. Review of your documentation to make sure everything is in place. Stage 2. An on-site audit where the auditors check if your processes meet ISO 9001 requirements. After the audit, if everything meets the standard, you'll receive your ISO 9001 certification. Maintaining your certification. It doesn't end there. Once you're certified, you'll need to maintain your ISO 9001 QMS. Certification bodies usually perform surveillance audits every year to ensure you're still compliant. Continual improvement is key, so it's important to keep monitoring your processes and making improvements when necessary. If you're ready to start your ISO 9001 journey, I hope this guide has made it easier to understand the certification process. Have any questions? Drop them in the comments below, and I'll be happy to help. And don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tips on ISO standards.